Faster setup than ever before. With our innovative Locomotion feature, setting up orthodontic treatment plans is now quicker and more efficient. Move teeth while simultaneously adapting the position of neighboring teeth. Whether spreading in a mesial distal direction or tipping based on your settings, Locomotion handles it all with precision. Gain unmatched control by selecting which adjacent teeth should remain stationary. Lock them in place to maintain their position, ensuring precision in every movement. Stay at the forefront, embrace the latest in orthodontic technology and elevate your practice to new heights. Try Locomotion today and experience the evolution in orthodontic planning.